Hey kids, I am Mr. Clock. Do you know how to tell the time by looking at the clock? Today we will learn about time. This is an analog clock. These are the numbers which help us to tell the time. The clock has 3 types of hands. All 3 hands are different from one another. This is the hour hand. It is the smallest hand. This is the minute hand. It shows us the minutes. This is the seconds hand. It moves after every second. Let's see how the clock works. The number at which the hour hand points is the time at that moment. Note that the minute hand points at 12 every time for that situation. Let us see some examples. What time is it? Yes, you are right. It's 3 o'clock. Let's see one more example. What time is it? Yes, you guessed it right. It's 7 o'clock. Also remember that after 12 o'clock in the noon, we say PM after the time. And before 12 o'clock, we use AM. For example, it's daytime and the clock shows this. What time will you say it is? Yes, you're right. It's 2 PM. Let's have a look at one more example. It's early morning and the clock shows this. What time will you say it is? Yes, absolutely right. It's 7 AM. Let's look at some more examples. The sun has set and it's evening. Both the hands are in a straight line. The clock shows this. What time will you say it is? Correct. It's 6 PM. Let's see one more example. It's morning and you're getting ready for school. The clock shows this. What time will you say it is? Very good. It's 8 AM. Let's see one more example. It's night. You have finished your dinner. The clock shows this. What time will you say it is? Absolutely! It's 9 PM. Let's have a look at another example. It's daytime and you are in your school. The clock shows this. What time will you say it is? Good job! It's 11 AM. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.